Align the telescope, a guide to understanding and using this phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, align the telescope. This expression is not just about astronomy. It's a metaphor for focusing on our goals and ensuring we are on the right path. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video will shed light on the meaning and usage of this phrase. So, let's get started and zoom in on the details. Align the telescope literally refers to the action of adjusting a telescope so that it points directly at an object in the sky. This involves calibrating the telescope's direction and focus to ensure a clear and precise view of celestial bodies, such as stars, planets, or the moon. It's a process that requires patience, precision, and attention to detail. In a metaphorical sense, to align the telescope means to focus your efforts and resources on achieving a specific goal or objective. It suggests the importance of adjusting your direction to ensure that you are aiming towards your desired outcome with clarity and purpose. This phrase can be applied to various contexts, from personal development and career goals to academic pursuits and creative projects. Let's look at how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. In personal development. This year, I'm trying to align the telescope on my health, focusing on exercise and balanced nutrition. 2. In career planning, the company is aligning the telescope on innovation, investing more in research and development. 3. In academic context. As exams approach, it's time to align the telescope on your studies, ensuring that you're prepared for the challenges ahead. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be adapted to different scenarios, emphasizing the idea of focusing and directing efforts towards a specific aim. Understanding and using phrases like align the telescope enriches your English vocabulary and helps you communicate more effectively and expressively. It shows your ability to use language creatively and can make your conversations and writing more engaging and impactful. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, align the telescope. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying ideas, emotions, and intentions in a way that resonates with others. So, keep exploring, learning, and aligning your linguistic telescope towards mastery. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.